Yeah, hi. Uh, Myself is Sudhir Giri, and I would just like to share about my life-changing experience and journey with Ayurcharya Clinic. Actually, I'm diabetic, uh, and my diabetes diagnosed around 10 years back. Since then, I was taking it in a casually and having treatment under the guidance of some doctors which deals with in allopathic, and having medicines along with the general jodi booty kind. The families and the relatives just let me know, and we are just having usually on that. But what happened after certain interval of time, my medicines which the generally allopathic doctors is giving to me become ineffective, and I have to change the medicines. And totally and depends upon the sugar level also. They keep on changing the medicine and the remedies which I am taking it at home level, or my parents or my families suggesting to me. And being hereditary, it's normal for me also. And that the I also with the mindset that this is the lifestyle diseases, so it become the routine that it will never goes, it will continue is as usual. But unfortunately, what happened in April, I got down with corona, and that big point of time it becomes so severe that, in fact, due to diabetes, my corona get severe that I have to be in ICU for around 3 to 4 days. And my sugar level at in the fasting state goes up to around 270 280, up to 300 also. So it become more critical at that point in time. But anyhow, fortunately, I am able to recover that. But that a point of time I have decided to pursue further, not with allopathic. I have to switch it either with the homeopathy or by ayurveda, which is formed given by my other family member also having treatment for their kidney at an Ayurveda medicine. So I have also shifted into the Ayurveda perspective, and in continuation of that, I come to know about the Ayurcharya. Ayurcharya, I met with Dr. Nimita Gulia there, and take, under her treatment, I have moved into the diabetic. She guided me about my diet chart, giving me the herbs, and that point of time at the starting, I have taking all the medicines which my allopathic doctor had suggested. But and that keep on continuing it for a month time. But after that, started gradually reducing the allopathy medicines. I am dependency on the allopathic and the diet chart, and certain changes come through the lifestyle, you say. Because so in that point, what happened, my sugar level start getting down and become consistent in the range of normal blood sugar. And in fact, that helps me also to come down my weight which used to be around 86 87 kg at that point of time. At this starting, I have started actually this in June this year. And after 3 months of treatment, I have been asked to take the test to get the result. So I have gone through all the tests, and in that test, one is called HB1AC test, which gives me actually very good. In fact, that result shows me that I reached and at that point of time with the 5.5, which comes under the normal diabetic range as per the medical baseline, or you can say the score ranging into that. And my weight comes down by 76 kg. So in throughout the journey of last 3.5 months now, I what I observed that it not only I have lost my weight, also it detoxify my all body. So what that we had earlier, like fatty liver or some other cholesterol and other reports which showing beyond the range, it also has come into the range. And due to this weight reduction and all, my day-to-day life and easiness in doing the all other routine activity is become quite normal. So I'm really thankful Ayurcharya Clinic and Dr. Namita, who has given me life changing experience by just fine tuning my diet chart, my work lifestyle, and through herbs, which I perceive there is no impact or side effect, you can say. And finally, at this point of time, I come with zero allopathic medicine and only dependent on herbs, which is given by Dr. Namita and diet chart. And happy to share that I am no more diabetic. It got reversed, and due to the reduction of weight of around 10 kg, my lifestyle and my attire has also get changed, and people start noticing it that I have reduced the weight, and it's quite makes me happy as well. And this is actually honest feedback that I would like to share for Ayurveda and Dr. Namita. Thanks, Dr. Namita, once again. Thank you very much.